A laser welder is only worth what your shop can actually do with it, and a machine without the right support behind it will sit there costing you money. Hey, how's it going everyone? Ron here from Tooling Around, presented by Pioneer Machine Sales. So this week, we're breaking down what you actually get when you work with Pioneer. You can buy a laser welder from a lot of places, but buying a machine and making it work in your shop are two different things. And that's where most vendors stop showing up. At Pioneer, everything starts with your application. We look at what you're welding, how often you're doing it, and what your bottlenecks are. From there, we match the right machine to the job. We work with shops across the country in a wide range of industries, and that gives us real-world experience in how these machines actually perform. So after installation, support continues. We help with service, parts, and troubleshooting, so you're not stuck when something comes up. Downtime costs money, and we understand that. Our training goes past basic operation into full production efficiency. As your shop grows, your needs change, new applications come up, and we stay involved to help you keep moving forward. So if you're investing in laser welding, make sure you're working with a team that understands how to apply it. And that's what we do every day at Pioneer Machine Sales. Now we have more deep dive videos on laser welding coming soon, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss them. And visit pioneerlaserwelding.com for all your fabrication and welding needs.